y'all. So Durango was a little uncooperative yesterday. We had some weather. It started out with huge snowflakes, then the sun came out for a minute, and then there was like this rain, snowy mix kind of thing all day, and then it rained. So it was a hard day to really do anything. We drove around for a while, and we went to the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory, got some goodies, and of course we went to the Polar Express. We had a great time at the Polar Express. The girls were super excited about it. We had a really good time. But like we mentioned, the first time that we went, we did first class tickets. Yes. And this time we did deluxe tickets. It saved us $30 a ticket, so times 4, it's $120. So we figured we'd do the deluxe, and it was fine. The people that were working our train car were great. They were a lot of fun. They paid a lot of attention to the girls, and so it was enjoyable. But the first class cars, you get a table and actual chairs. It's a lot wider too. And in the first class, they run up and down the aisles and dance, and they get the kids up and let them dance, and it's just a different atmosphere, and it's totally worth the extra $30 a ticket if you can do that. But we had a great time. Aunt Crystal and Uncle Chi-Chi were with us. They really enjoyed it. We left, and we were going to go back to 11th Street Station, which was our favorite place to eat. It's this big outdoor area. It's heated, and it's food truck style. So they have like all these food trucks set up, but it's in an enclosed area, and it's got these great patio seating and lights, and the atmosphere is really cool. So you just go to whatever food truck you want, you sit down, and then there's a waiter or a waitress that takes care of your drinks. Really cool place. And after the Polar Express, that's where we wanted to go and grab some food, but it was
closed on Sundays.
It was Sunday, yeah. So we went to Home Slice Pizza, and we grabbed some pizza, and then went back to the hotel. Yeah, it was actually really good pizza. There were a lot of locals in there at the bar, but the Broncos were playing, and there was a crazy crowd at the bar. It was funny, but I don't know. How'd you like Durango all in all?
I love Durango. I just think if you're coming in the wintertime, kind of like this, you're coming for the Polar Express or the train ride. Both
or to ski.
Great. Or to ski.
Purgatory Resort is just right up the road.
Which right now they don't have enough snow to ski on. So, right. But I think it's very outdoorsy oriented. A lot of river rafting, hiking, bike trails.
Lots of hiking.
There's
fishing, the river.
Yep. There's OHV trails for razors and dirt bikes and whatnot. But a lot of it's for outdoors.
Well, it was funny because at breakfast yesterday down in the hotel, there was a gentleman that asked the lady that was attending the breakfast, hey, so what can we do today? We're doing the Polar Express tonight. What should we do? And she even said, she goes, everything that we do here is revolved around the outdoors, and the weather was junk. So it was hard really to find something to do just given the weather. And then we're leaving for Colorado Springs, so we didn't have any extra time in Durango. But I'd like to come up in the summer.
Yeah.
Go whitewater rafting and maybe, ride the trails, do all those outdoorsy things. But everybody was really nice. Everybody's real chill, laid back, outdoorsy people, and I enjoyed it. You can't beat the scenery, the mountains. So
we ate lunch at Sirius Texas Barbecue. The first time we ate there a couple of years ago, it was really good food for Colorado Texas barbecue. But
yeah, it was.
This time, my brisket was like
rubber.
Oh, it was terrible.
It was really bad. Now the rest of the food was great. The turkey, the smoked turkey was fantastic. The girls chowed down on the sausage and the pulled pork, but that brisket was something else.
Yeah, the brisket looked like they cooked it yesterday and then reheated
microwaved it or
yeah, it was awful.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. But the rest of it was good.
And I'm picky on my barbecue, especially brisket. I love brisket.
And I felt like we could eat Texas barbecue at home on the regular, because we do. We are currently driving through the mountains on our way to Colorado Springs. It's a beautiful view. It's very windy, and
very foggy.
I don't know how much more I can take, to be honest. but it's very foggy. We'll get a good shot of the mountains up here, but sorry for the dirty windows.
The dog nose prints.
Yeah, the dog nose prints, but it's incredibly foggy and it's incredibly windy through here, but it's beautiful. Baron is hiding his face. We're hoping he doesn't get car sick. We have some doggy meds. Should he?
Dramamine.
Yeah, actually some kid Dramamine. They said we could give him if we needed to. But we've got a beautiful drive. It's just a little windy. We're going to go to Colorado Springs and go to the North Pole.
Girls have another surprise coming.
Yes, we can't say what it is right now because we don't want them to hear. We're going to hit Garden of Gods again. It's one of our favorite places. Here's to a windy afternoon.
Yeah.
We got about a 7-hour ride, so
we're about an hour and a half into it.
yeah, so it's gonna be a minute, but I might need a Coke Zero here in a second. But I'm trying to distract myself because this road between Durango and probably South Fork last time was very difficult for me. The motion, I don't usually get car sick, but in the windy mountains I can't deal with it.
But we were in the Jeep also.
We were in the Jeep, so I don't know. Hopefully it'll be fine. But I'm just trying to keep myself as busy as I can in front of this truck.
Well, be sure to like and subscribe. Definitely, so you can see our North Pole and Colorado Springs adventure this year. Everybody stay safe and see you
And
out
happy
there.
Thanksgiving.
Yes, and happy Thanksgiving. Hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving.